Hey there, I'm Anthony from KodeKloud. Today, we're exploring our Istio Certified Associate course. Get ready to master Istio and enhance your skills in managing and securing microservices. If you want to know more about the course, check out the details below. Let's dive in.
Before we learn what Istio is, we need to understand what a sidecar is. Can you remember learning how to ride a bike? You'd get on, try to keep balance, but you would fall. Sidecars were very popular in the 1950s, but you can see how balance is not an issue anymore. Another person can sit inside and help with balance while keeping you company on your ride. The person inside the sidecar can help with some tasks like watching for traffic, checking for merging cars, navigation, so you can focus on driving without being distracted. The person in the sidecar can also communicate with others on your behalf. So, what is the role of the sidecar? In summary, it helps take the load off by handling extra tasks, organizing, navigating, and communicating with others on your behalf. That is the main role of a sidecar. So when it comes to proxies designed for traffic management inside of a service mesh, you have a lot of options. You have Envoy Proxy, of course, which is used by Istio, though Istio does use an extended version of Envoy Proxy. HashiCorp's console also uses Envoy Proxy. Kuma, which is another service mesh, uses Envoy Proxy. And I believe AWS App Mesh also makes use of the Envoy Proxy. You also have another proxy by the name of Linker2 proxy, which is used by Linkerd, of course. You have the traffic proxy, which is used by the traffic mesh, of course. And you also have one called HA proxy, which can be used with, I believe, HashiCorp's console. You can change to use HA proxy instead of Envoy. You can use HA proxy with other maybe built in-house service meshes that also make use of this HA proxy. But Envoy proxy is the most widely used sidecar proxy in the context of service meshes. Envoy proxy is an open source, high performance service proxy, and it's what Istio uses as its sidecar. It works very similar to software load balancers like Nginx if you ever used it. Originally created by Lyft, the project has been adopted by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. I should also mention that the word or the term proxy and sidecar are quite often used interchangeably. So you might hear me say proxy, or you might hear me say sidecar or someone else, and just know that they're talking about the same thing. Another term is also sidecar injection, which refers to adding the proxy to the workload, that be Envoy proxy, a Linkerd proxy, or HA proxy. So sidecar injection means injecting that sidecar into the workload. So how does it work? Think of Envoy proxy as a traffic controller for your application. In a large system where there are many applications that need to talk to each other, Envoy proxy makes sure that the messages between those services get to the right place in the fastest and safest way possible. If you recall the classroom example, right? The assistant here is the Envoy proxy. It takes your note and makes sure it goes to the right student. In a Kubernetes ecosystem, the Envoy proxy is a completely separate container that runs alongside your main application workload and acts as the middleman intercepting all communication in and out of the application. Just like the sidecar, the application drives, and the sidecar is that proxy that will intercept the communication in and out and do all those tasks for you. Now, the Envoy proxy will route traffic, choosing the best path to take to deliver the message. It also acts as a load balancer, distributing traffic across multiple instances of a service. Envoy proxy also makes sure that the communication between services is secure. Envoy proxy encrypts the message so that no one can snoop in on it. And it also ensures that only trusted services can talk to one another. So Envoy Proxy also helps you monitor to see what's happening in your system. It can track how much traffic is going to each application, how long it takes to get a response, and if any applications are having issues. So why use Envoy Proxy? Well, simplify communication. Envoy Proxy makes sure that all applications can communicate with one another without worrying about complex network problems. Security, right? It ensures that all the data being transferred between services is encrypted and secure. Performance, Envoy Proxy helps track the health and performance of your applications. Reliability, another big one. Why use it, right? Envoy Proxy ensures that even if one server goes down, your application keeps running by redirecting traffic to healthy services. And some advanced options, right? Envoy Proxy offers things like rate limiting, circuit breaking, compression, traffic mirroring capabilities, etc. You can install Envoy Proxy on any Linux distribution, basically. You can install it on Mac OS X and even directly on a Kubernetes cluster using something like Helm. However, managing individual proxies across a complex Kubernetes cluster environment can be quite challenging. Just think about managing each Envoy proxy for each workload individually. It could be a nightmare. Luckily, there is a better way, and that is called Istio.
If you're interested in mastering Istio and leveling up your cloud native skills, check out our comprehensive Istio Certified Associate course on KodeKloud. We offer hands-on labs, real-world examples, and everything you need to pass the ICA exam. Click the link below and get started today. If you're interested in mastering Istio and leveling up your cloud native skills, check out our comprehensive Istio Certified Associate course on KodeKloud. We offer hands-on labs, real-world examples, and everything you need to pass the ICA exam. Click the link below and get started today.